How to recover deleted OneNote pages, notebook, and sessions. So if you want to recover deleted OneNote pages, notebooks, and sections, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your OneNote application. After opening OneNote, now let me tell you one thing that unfortunately the OneNote mobile app do not have a recycle bin. Like for example, I'll just simply go and delete a note, tap and hold on to it, go with the three dots which will be in the top, tap on delete, and as you can see that it says this page will be permanently deleted. Where it says permanently deleted, you need to just simply tap on delete, and as you can see, once it has been deleted, if you go with your profile or if you go with your settings and everything, you won't find a trash icon or a recover icon. So if you've deleted something from OneNote, then it will be permanently deleted. But you can still recover your content using the OneNote web app. You can go with your website like Google or your browser and then log into your OneNote. And if you have any notes right there, if you've deleted from your web browser, then you just need to simply go with the restore section and you'll be able to restore it from your website. But you don't have an option to restore on your application. So that is the only effective method for recovering deleted pages or notes. But make sure that your mobile and your web version are synced with each other. For that, you need to go with your profile and then go with settings. Now under settings here, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find sync notebooks on Wi-Fi and then sync all page content. Make sure that these two options are enabled, or if you're using your mobile data, then the first one is not necessary, but you need to go with the second one. You need to make sure that the sync option is turned on. Once the sync option is turned on, you need to go with the same email address on your web browser. Go with your OneNote web browser and then restore. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.